Want glowing, youthful skin without spending a fortune? What if I told you that something as simple as an ice cube can work wonders for your face? Today, we're revealing 5 powerful benefits of using ice cubes on your skin, and number 1 will shock you, so stick around till the end. Make sure to watch closely because I will also show you the right way to use this trick for the best results. Benefit number 5: shrinks pores instantly. Let's start with benefit number 5: pore tightening. If you struggle with large, open pores, ice cubes can help instantly shrink them. The cold temperature contracts your skin and makes pores appear smaller, giving your face a smooth, refined look. Pro tip: try rubbing an ice cube before applying makeup. It helps create a flawless, long-lasting base. Benefit number 4: reduces puffiness and dark circles. Tired of puffy eyes and dark circles? Ice cubes work like magic by reducing swelling and improving blood circulation under the eyes. If you wake up with puffy, tired-looking eyes, just massage an ice cube gently for a few seconds. You'll see an instant refresh. Pro tip: use green tea ice cubes for even better results. The antioxidants help brighten the skin and fight dark circles. Benefit number 3: soothes acne and reduces inflammation. Acne can be super frustrating, but here's a simple home remedy. Applying an ice cube directly to a pimple can reduce redness, inflammation, and swelling within minutes. Why? The cold constricts blood vessels, calming irritated skin and even reducing oil production that causes breakouts. Pro tip: wrap the ice cube in a soft cotton cloth instead of applying it directly to avoid skin irritation. Benefit number 2: instant glow and skin refreshment. Now, here's a benefit everyone loves: the instant glow effect. When you rub an ice cube on your skin, it boosts circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. The result: a fresh, dewy, lit from within glow. No makeup needed. Pro tip: add rose water to your ice cubes for extra hydration and a beautiful, natural scent. Benefit number 1: slows aging and prevents wrinkles. And finally, the number 1 reason you should be using ice cubes on your skin: it's an anti-aging secret. Cold therapy tightens skin, reduces fine lines, and slows down the aging process by preventing sagging. Regular use helps keep your skin firm, youthful, and wrinkle-free for longer. Pro tip: use an aloe vera ice cube for even better anti-aging benefits. It hydrates and soothes the skin while fighting wrinkles naturally. Who knew something as simple as an ice cube could do so much for your skin? Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this beauty hack with your friends. Let's glow together.